Duffel bag, backseat.
This video is for haircut help and what you can do to make haircutting go more smoothly. Now, one of my favorite tricks is one of the simplest ones, and it just involves bringing your own towel, bringing your own cape to the hair salon. Oftentimes, kids that are very sensory defensive can be very rigid about what they'll accept on their bodies. So if you bring from home something that you've practiced with, something that your child is okay texture-wise, this can be very, very helpful and just save the anxiety of putting on an unfamiliar cape with an unfamiliar feel and an unfamiliar smell. So again, bring your own towel, bring your own cape, so that way your child does not have to manage that unexpected and new feeling. This is one video in a very large playlist, so please click through all the strategies and see which one or which ones help your child.
In my mind, you're a drive real slow down.